Hello, my name's Miss T and welcome to our Emotion Memory Recall workshop. This workshop is good for actors and people who want to relax alike. Emotion memory is a technique used by Stanislavski, and we are going to be interleaving some questions by Uta Hagen to look at our given circumstances in today's session. We are also going to be looking at circles of attention and how to link ourselves to our own memories, to our characters and to their memories. Find somewhere to sit with your feet on the ground and your back straight with your eyes closed, or find somewhere comfortable to lie down. Make sure your arms are by your side, you are in neutral position and your eyes are closed. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And in through your nose and out through your mouth. I want you to keep that level and that rhythm of breathing as we go into our first stage, which is relaxation. An actor needs to be relaxed in order to prepare for the character. So we're going to start at our feet and we're going to work our way all the way up to our heads. Let's start with our left foot. I want you to rotate your foot at the ankle in a clockwise motion with your eyes closed and feel all of the tension from today release. All of the walking you have done, all of the standing up, feel that tension release from that foot. Move it in the other direction for me now. We're now going to move on to our second foot and we are going to rotate again in the clockwise motion, feeling all of that tension release. When you are ready, rotate your foot in the opposite direction for me. And our feet should now feel relaxed. All of the tension should be released from our feet. We're moving up now to our knees. They hold our weight of our body all day. We're going to slowly lift up our right knee and with your hands pull that knee into your chest. Feel that stretch along the back of your leg. And release. Now we're going to swap over legs and do the same again, slowly bringing that knee up, clutching it with both of your hands and drawing it into your chest. When you feel that stretch and you feel that tension release, let go. Our legs should now feel free from the tensions of the day, and we're going to move up to our lower back. I want you to place both hands behind your back at the small and gently push forward, arching that back best you can, feeling that stretch from the bottom to the top of your spine, vertebrae at a time, releasing the tension. And moving our hands back by the sides. Deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Imagine there is a string attached to the tips of your fingers on your right hand. You are slowly going to lift up your arm towards the sky, starting at your elbow, moving up to your wrist, and the last thing to reach upwards should be your fingers. It's okay if the string pulls your shoulder slightly off the surface that you're in, or slightly upwards if you're sat upright. Really feel that stretch along your arm. And drop it. Really floppy now, from straight to dropped. We're going to repeat that on that same arm, imagining there is a string attached to your fingers, slowly reaching upwards, as high as it will go, and drop. Let's do the same now on our other arm. Imagine there is a string attached to your fingers and it's slowly lifting your arm all the way up to the sky. Feel that stretch along the back of your arm and release. Drop that arm down back onto your side, and we'll do that one more time, really slowly all the way up, a little bit more, and drop. We hold a lot of tension in our shoulders, so that is where we will be going next. We're going to lift both of our shoulders up to our ears. Hold it there for a second and drop them back down. Feel that release in tension from the day, lifting up our shoulders again all the way to our ears, and drop them back down. Perfect. Deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Find your center again with a deep breath in through your nose and out. We're moving upwards to our neck and to our head, and I want you to drop your head forward onto your chest. Chin on your chest, and you're going to slowly rotate your head all the way around to the right hand side and then all the way to the left, feeling the stretch on either side of your neck. Rolling your head upwards now to look toward the sky, and all the way down to the front, feeling that stretch in the front and the back of your neck. And now rotating a circle, starting with your chin on the chest in the middle, rotating round to the left, all the way round the back onto your left hand side, into center. Deep breath into your nose and out through your mouth. We call this position neutral. This is us at our most relaxed state, ready to take on the role of our character, find our emotions and revisit our memories. Deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. We're now going to look at Uta Hagen's questions, and I want you to answer these questions in your mind's eye as yourself. Keep breathing as we go through. First question: who am I? Who are you? What's your job? How old are you? Where are you? Where are you in life? Where are you physically? What are your surroundings? What is immediately around you in the room that you are in? What is your purpose? This is the first circle of attention. This is you, who you are, your experiences. We're now going to use some visualization in order to access our own memories. If you know that there is a memory that you do not feel comfortable with accessing right now, that's okay, you can choose another. I want you to think of a memory that holds a particularly strong emotion for you. If you are about to play a character, it's particularly helpful if you can choose a memory with an emotion attached to it that your character also feels. Deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Now you have thought about this memory, it's time to start visualizing what that memory looked like for you and what your personal experiences were. I want you to imagine that you are walking up to a door, and behind this door is your memory. All of the people who were there, all of the feelings that it entails. As soon as you enter this room, you are going to be in that memory. Before we open the door, I just want you to think, what is going to happen? Who am I going to see? Which emotion am I going to feel? Have my relationships with the people in this room changed? And when you are ready, you're going to reach for the door handle and slowly open the door. Take a step in and deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you're going through this memory, I want you to imagine that you are note-taking, that you are taking notes of what happened at the beginning, what happened after that, what happens next, who do you talk to, what do you feel, what are your surroundings. And I just want you to sit with that feeling while we breathe in through our nose and out through our mouths, and in through our nose and out through our mouths. I'm going to give you some time now to go through this memory from beginning to end. Relive what happened, the conversations that you had, and how it made you feel. Remember to keep breathing and out. I want you just to think about, if you could change one thing about this memory, what would it be? What would you say? Is there anything you could have changed? And when you are ready, I want you to walk back towards that door turn your back on that situation and close that door behind you. Deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And in through your nose and out through your mouth. This is our second circle of attention, our memories and our emotions. We're going to try now to access our third, which is our character. And we're going to do the same questions as before, but this time I want you to answer them as if you are your character. Who am I? How old am I? Where are you? What are your surroundings? And what is your purpose? Now, thinking about that memory, I'm not going to make you go back there, but I want you to answer the question: how does my character respond to that situation? How would my character act? What would my character feel? And slowly, we're going to return to our bodies. Feel the weight of the seat or the surface underneath you. Take a deep breath in, and on the exhale, slowly open your eyes. What I would like you to do following this is go and take a look at your script. Find a place where you know that your character feels that same emotion that you did. And think about how you are going to let the audience see your truth.